Hi everybody and welcome. So I want to talk you through how to plan your month, how to track how you're going, and how a whiteboard like this is a mini whiteboard I've literally just made up for you guys. I've got a much bigger whiteboard that I literally track everything as I go through the month. Now, why I really like that is I'm a real visual person. I just want it there in front of me. I like to see who I'm working with. I like to see my points. I like to have my goal at the top and track what I'm doing as I go through the month, because it makes me think, hey, eek, I need to do a bit more, or it's going really well. So this is something that I do on the first of the month. I always redo my whiteboard. So this, if you're new in the business, this is probably what your whiteboard is going to look like to start with. So this is what mine would look like when I first started. So at the top, you're going to put your goal. So it is, and you're going to put a date in there, a date that you think I want to be, whatever it is. Say you're running for brand rep, which is our first, oh, hang on, I'm trying not to get all the writing off, is your first big pin title. If you're already a brand rep, I think the next one you would probably really be aiming for would be Ruby, which is the next big milestone where the success trips come on. So you're going to write across the top of your whiteboard, it is whatever date. And you can have a chat with your sponsor or your coach or me or whoever, just to give you a realistic date here. And I am a brand rep in my new skin business. And that's what you're going to put across the top there. So that's the first thing. So every time you look at it, that's your goal, reinforcing your goal. So then the next thing you're going to have here, I've got November. Right, so we work in weeks. And once you become a brand rep, or even like your commission, let's just keep it simple. So we work in weeks. So I would break it down to be a brand rep. You're looking to do 2,000 sales volume, which is points. So break that down into a week. So I always have mine in weeks. Week 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 points you're looking to do each week. So as you work through the week, and you can see you've got points going on, so you're always checking your app, cross it off, count backwards. So you're then going, yeah, I'm achieving it. So this is something you can just really, this is going to really, once you get it like this, it's going to really help you stay on track. So these points, they're not going to come just from your sales. These come from anybody you've got who are members that are ordering, anybody who are retail customers that might already have an account, anybody you've signed up as a brand affiliate, any of their points, it's all going to come off here. See? So you're counting down, and that's how, if you break it down into weeks, you're going to find it so much more achievable. So the next thing I always have is my team members here. So I always write down my main team members, and then other people that I've brought in, or other people that I would love to be doing more, that I want to make sure I can just go on and have a look, and I'm like, yeah, I'm going to message them. Or if we're doing a promotion or something I want to invite them to, instead of just sitting there racking my brain, okay, I'll just have a look at my whiteboard, right, okay, and I'll sit down and I'll invite those people. Okay, so that's why I love having people here. It's just always fresh in my mind. So the other thing here is like your new customers. How many new customers do you want a month? This isn't a week, this is a month. So I've put on here 6. If you had 2 new customers a week, that'd be brilliant, because they're going to stay for the next month, especially if you're working with a collagen subscription system. So then also any new subscriptions you start, put them in here, track it, because as you go through, you're like, yeah, I'm actually, my business is growing. It's going to help you grow your business. Any new signups and people that have signed up as a brand affiliate, put their names in here. And then lastly, over here, I've got presentations or demos. So here each week, you know, you can just put in how many presentations and demos you've done. You know, if you're looking to become a brand rep, to move to Ruby, for your business to grow, you're looking to do 15 a week. So you'd then break that down. But if you started doing 5 a week, and then 6 a week, and then 7 a week, and built it up, amazing. You will start to see what you're doing on here correlates to what you're starting to get paid. Okay, so get yourself a whiteboard, even if you've got a mini one. This is my daughter's, I found it the other day. So this is, I've taken a picture of this. I'm going to post it in the comments so you can have a closer look. Even if just start filling it in. Honestly, it's going to really help, and have it somewhere where you can see it every day and you'll watch your business grow.